Hello guys, Tim here. For you guys who are not familiar with me, I've turned 26,000 into $10 million plus. And today's video, I'm going to go over CEI, which I post my screenshots that while I'm live trading. I made over $500,000 on this trade. So today I'm going to go over my thinking process and where I entered and exited, so you guys can learn from my entry and exit, and hopefully you guys can become a consistent, profitable trader. So other than that, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and let's get into the video today. Alright guys, let's get into the chart. So CEI, it's displayed right here. I made several trades on it, so let's go over the entire thinking process and why this is a short, and also why this is a swing short as well. Alright, let's look at 15-day chart, 2 minutes. So this one has been running up for the last almost a month. If you can take a look at it, switch to day. So overall, starting from 0.4 and all the way to almost $5 per share, and every single day is trading massive amount of volume since the breakout at $2 area. Extension based on the consolidation breakout is around probably 300%, so 300%ish, right? I was waiting for this one to at least extending 100% from the consolidation, which it has met my requirement. So 1.8 times 2, that's 3.6. And another day, and that's very similar to the consolidation as well. Right here around September 28th, it consolidated around 3.1, and I was thinking that if this one tends to break out 3.1, this one needs to go to 6. But on this day, it traded almost over a billion volume. So a billion shares being exchanged in hands, and it had a massive drop, went from 5 to 3. So unfortunately, I did not catch the drop right here since it's pretty much unpredictable. And it's trading so much volume that it's really competitive. In that case, it's not really worth it to short or to build a swing short. Once the bounce happened, it gapped up back to the 4.4 area. This is where I started to short. My average is between 4.25 to 4-ish. I entered some of it right here, entered some of it right here as well. Overall, I held the entire day because I was planning to swing short this one. So following the second day, I held again, went all the way to 2.86. I covered a little bit around 3.1, then I held again on the third day, then covered pretty much all of my shares around the 1.1. That's my last cover. Majority of the shares were covered around 1.65. That's my entry and exit. But how did I really, I would say, have the confidence to hold this long? So first of all, that the chart is pretty much overextended. If you take a look at the 6 months chart, it's up about almost 1,000% from 0.4, starting right here. And it took many days to go up to that level, to $5. So when the stock tends to drop, it will take many days as well. This is not like an intraday trade that you can gain 50 to 75% in one day, because it's not an intraday short. So once you find a really good entry, right, then you hold. When the stock tends to drop, in forms consolidations. Once it cracks under the consolidation, you can reshort and build your average into the consolidation resistance. What do I mean by that? So basically, you can take a look at it. I showed it around 4.25, right? I write it down all the way to, I covered some of it at 310. You can see that it formed another resistance right here, around 3.4. So I averaged in again to pull down my average to the 3.4, 3.5 area. That's where my entry becomes my risk. So in this case, I feel much safer, especially that if I'm shorting under a consolidation resistance. And that's where I did not expecting this one to drop this hard today. I was aiming for a $2.8 support to break. Once it broke, did not think it can drop almost $1 more, because 75% of the entire chart is around the $2 area, and also there's a massive support around 2. So I was aiming to cover there. I covered a little bit around 2.25 into the panic. and cover the rest around 110. Alright, so for overall CEI trade, I don't really have any regrets on it. Only regret will be not adding to the 3.6 pop, which was right about here. But other than that, when CEI was going 50% in one day or dropping 50% in one day, in one of those trades, it doesn't really matter if you go long or short, you're going to end up in the long shoe. So this is where the market is trying to test your risk management. And in some days, you are going to end up in the wrong side. Whenever it's popping 50%, you are shorting, or when it's going long, then it's dropping 50%. You have to have a solid risk management. So in this way, when the side is going to your way, you can amplify your gains, and the stock is going the opposite way you are expecting, you can minimize your losses. That's how you stay consistent profitable. Hopefully you guys enjoyed these lessons. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Alright guys, that will be the end of this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you want to find my account statements, you can find the link below or on my website as well. So hopefully you guys like this video. I will see you guys in the next one.